Hey there, Insight Hub viewers. Ever find yourself putting off important tasks? That's procrastination. It's a sneaky habit that affects all of us. But don't worry, today, I'll share how to beat it. First, let's understand procrastination. It's when you delay doing something, even though you know you should be doing it. It can happen for many reasons: fear of failure, feeling overwhelmed, or simply because the task is boring. So how do we overcome it? Start by breaking your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Big tasks can feel intimidating, but smaller steps are much easier to tackle. Next, prioritize your tasks. Use tools like to-do lists or apps to keep track. Knowing what's most important helps you stay focused. Also, set clear deadlines. Even if they're self-imposed, deadlines create urgency and help you stay on track. And don't forget to reward yourself. After completing a task, take a short break or enjoy a treat. Positive reinforcement can boost your motivation. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Even small steps forward are better than standing still. So, next time you feel the urge to procrastinate, try these tips. You'll find yourself getting more done and feeling less stressed. Thank you for watching Insight Hub. Please share, like, and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. See you next time.